Hello everyone, welcome to Best Blessed Kitchen. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. For my old ones, you guys are wonderful. Guys, we are going to prepare an Italian food, but I'm going to mix it with Greek. I'm going to make it Italian Greek food, okay? So today I'm going to leave the recipe, the name of the food, in the description button below. So in this dish we are going to prepare, I'm going to use the beans. If you know this beans, okay, fasoya. Okay, this is a medium size, is white. I'm going to use garden eggs, guys. I'm going to use beef. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes, and I'm going to use what's the name of this? Is this cereal? Is the big onions? I don't remember the name. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to use basil. This is a fresh basil here. Okay, I'm going to use courgette. I'm going to use, I'm supposed to use zucchini, but I don't know if zucchini is the season now, or I don't know. I don't even know. I've not eaten that zucchini in my kitchen. I don't know if it's the same. This courgette is zucchini. I don't remember. So I'm going to use some carrots. I'm going to use 3 carrots. I'm going to use potato. I'm going to use white onions. So all this I'm going to chunk, give it a big chunk. Okay, so you join me and we are moving on to my kitchen. But first of all, guys, I have soaked these beans for a day, 24 hours in water. I have cooked it, is soft. So the one I'm going to be using is already pre-cooked. Is not fully cooked. It's not pre-cooked, fully cooked. So I'm going to be cooking this meat before I start every other thing. Okay, come on in, guys, come in again, because this recipe is called for payment. This is a wonderful recipe, and everybody that likes vegetable must try this out. I mean, I have all prepared my everything. This is my carrot here. This is the chunk I'm talking about. This is how I want it. Then these tomatoes, I have sliced it and removed the seed, removed the skin. My courgette, I don't know, my baby said this is zucchini. I don't know. Yeah, courgette, but my daughter told me that it's zucchini. And this is my garden egg. You know what garden egg normally does? The garden egg, if you don't start cooking it immediately, it changes color. And that's my potato. This is a chunk food. What am I saying? This is my beans now. I want to make everything equal. And that's my red pepper. I did not show it before. I forgot it. And this is my Spanish bonnet pepper, if I say it right, and this my green and lemon pepper, and that's my onions here, my basil here, my big onions. I don't know if it's I don't remember. So I will use my olive oil. I will use my derica. I will use derica, a little bit of it. I will use salt. What am I going to use? I will use my nut cubes. I have already prepared my meat. I have already prepared it, so the meat is ready. So I'm going to dive in now to start preparing it. Now I'm gonna get a big pot. Okay, in this recipe, I don't know if you guys will like it, but I bet you it is gonna be very delicious. I forgot to show off my garlic. I will need this garlic. I will need this garlic in this recipe, guys. Okay, my pot is ready. Guys, if I tell you that my kids are really disturbing, what do you expect of mother of 7 kids? It's hard. So I'll add my olive oil now, then get in my onions and my garlic. I'll add my garlic first. Look, you have to cook anyhow you want. I mean, this is a recipe that calls for any kinds of vegetable, guys. So I'll add my onions. Oh my onions. Any kind of vegetable, but it's good that you get the one that you can chop. It's full of vitamins. Okay, so I will give it a stir and get my carrot in. I'll add my carrot. Oh, I think I made a mistake, guys. I'll add my tomato paste in between these carrots. Okay, so I'll get in my carrot, my tomato paste. I have added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. There is little bit. I will give it a good stir and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes before I'll pack all my vegetables, tomatoes, carrots. But before I do that, I will add my potatoes first. So guys, as you can see, why I put this my tomato paste is for it to be colorful. I like colors. So guys, I will be glad if you give it this dish a try. It's full of vitamins. So it's around 5 minutes. I will add my potatoes. Now you can actually add everything together, but I want to add my own bit by bit, guys. I want to add it bit by bit, so I will cook it for another 5 minutes. So I have added my potato and carrot. Why did I add potato and carrot first? Because they're a little bit hard to get ready. Okay, so I will cover it. So guys, when it's cooking now, it's not up to 5 minutes, but I want to add my Daphne. This is my Daphne leaf. I'll add tree. It's bay leaf. Daphne. Okay. So I will add 3 of it, maybe. This is 2.5. I think it's time for me to add my garden egg. Okay. I'll let it to cook a little bit before I add other vegetables. Just give this delicacy a try, and let's see how it goes. So guys, while it's cooking, I'll add my salt so that the spice can be entering inside the vegetable. And my nut cubes. You can get any cubes of your choice. This is not actually the nut cube. This is the cubes of this country. I don't know. It's beef. Can use chicken. Can use any kind of stock you want. So thank you so much. Me, I prefer to be a father. This video didn't let me to do this video. All of them are in the house today, so they are really bothering me with their steady going in and coming out. So I will have to remove water. I think I can see water. I have to pour the water out, but I don't actually want to get extra water from any place. I just want the water to come out from the vegetables. You can see I have removed the water. I poured my tomatoes and my courgette, my zucchini. Okay, so I will be adding all the veggies, every guys. You have to give this a try. Okay, so I will let it cook. As you can see, I will let it cook before I'll add my beans. It's actually gonna be delicious, guys. Oh, I dream of this food. How I combine every veggies together, and today is coming to pass. I actually googled mixed vegetable online, so I find a old man who prepares something close to this. So I don't actually know his name. I just look how he chop all the vegetables up, and there he didn't actually add beans, but mine, I'm going to add this white beans. So I will let it to cook. Okay. While I'm waiting for the veggies and the whole things to be ready, we are going to use this bread. I don't know, this is bakery bread. It's from the bakery. Okay, so I'm going to slice it and butter it and put it inside the toaster. Okay, so everything is getting ready right now. I will add my meat I previously cooked. Okay, this is the meat. I diced them and I will add it to the pot. So while I do that, I will add my beans, guys. So you can add, actually there are any amount of beans you want to add. Okay, so this, I don't know if I will call it vegetable beans. So give it a try and you will tell me how it tastes. Okay, it's very beautiful, you see. So I'm going to prepare my, so I will test if I will add a little bit salt. So I think the salt is not enough. I will add a little bit. So I will cover it to boil for the last time. Guys, the food is delicious. You need to give this food a try. Okay, so guys, now I have let it boil. I will add my basil. Remember I told you that I don't know how to pronounce this, so if you know, I think it's basil. Okay, so guys, my daughter is helping me to butter the bread right now. So we are going to let them in the toaster. Okay, so this my toaster has actually the two face. You can use two sides. Let me check how to open it. Opa, look at it, it's very hot. You can use this side. Okay guys, you guys didn't clean this thing. Oh. So, but I want to use the flat side. Okay, so I will lay my butter, my bread with butter on the toaster. Okay, it's very nice, guys. If you have not tried this, give it a try. If you, especially when you have old bread that you keep in the fridge and it becomes strong, bring it out and cut it in pieces and give it a butter front and back, and it will come out nicely. Okay.